In recent years, trips to the Blue Lagoon in Comino have become increasingly popular to the point where this year, in 2025, the Maltese government have limited tourist numbers to 5,000. But is it worth the hype? Come with us as we join a private boat and go and have a look at the Blue Lagoon ourselves.
Me and Elias have got our hands wet because as we were reaching into the water and feeling the waves. We're going into a cave now.
Our trip to Comino wasn't for the Blue Lagoon alone. We stopped off at other sites around the island, including other lagoons, a sandy beach, and lots of sea caves.
That's what it's So we just went snorkelling in the Crystal Lagoon, and when I say we, I mean me, Mummy and Elias, because Dad didn't want to come. And it was very fun. It was cold, warm, cold, warm, cold, warm. And very good. We saw lots of fish and a fish. And Elias just said that he did too. The water is very clear, and it's so clear that you can see the ground underneath it. There's lots more boats arriving. When we got here, we were by ourselves. Wow.
So we've just taken a dip in where?
And the Blue Lagoon.
Yep. It was a lot colder than the other one, wasn't it?
Yep.
Or so I'm told, because I didn't actually go in the other one.
Yep.
So where did we swim to?
We swam to the beach over there and into that cave.
And this time Clara and Elias had pool noodles.
Yep.
Yep. So which one did you prefer, Blue Lagoon or Crystal Lagoon?
Crystal Lagoon.
Yeah. Is that because it was warmer?
Would you like some wine or still
Yeah.
in the morning?
Oh, I'll have wine. I'll have wine anytime.
Mummy's just been asked if she wants wine.
Yep.
Have you ever heard Mummy say no to wine?
Nope.
Yeah, Mummy likes a glass of wine. The wine on board is a local Gozen wine. I'm still not quite used to red being served cold. But I think in the sun I can see why they do it. It's definitely better to have a nice cold drink, isn't it?
I don't know because I only got water.
So we're in the water there. Daddy had a life jacket on too, didn't he?
Yeah.
No. As well as Daddy can swim. I'm not a strong enough swimmer to swim for 10 or 15 minutes straight without being able to put my feet down. So yeah, Daddy wore a life jacket. Just like Clara and Elias. But I'm pleased I did, because if I hadn't done that I probably wouldn't have gone in the water.
Yeah.
Because Mummy's a stronger swimmer, isn't she?
Yeah.
It's getting busy on the beach now. I don't know if we'll be able to make it out, but there's a lot more people in the water than when we swam over there.
Here, I'm with my foot. What are you doing that?
Oh, you can see through that. somehow, I think our second stop in the Blue Lagoon, coming out the other side, was even colder in the water than the first one. There's an absolutely huge boat jam-packed with people behind us. It's 2-story, it's got a slide coming out, and people are jumping off the top deck rather than me. Would you jump off the top deck, Clara?
Yep.
You would?
Yep.
I don't think you would.
I would.
Would you drop down the slide?
How about you, Elias?
Yes.
Slide up, jump off the top. I don't think I had a child to jump off the top. should we do that next? So you can jump off the top. And all the swimming's taking it out of the kiddies. Got fast asleep. Where we were at with the hotel was a place called St Nicholas Bay. The hotel closed in 2019 and there was a new owner who has a permit to demolish it and build a new hotel in the site there. We've come round the coast to the next bay along, which is called St Mary's Bay, where there are some bungalows, which you might be able to see behind me, that are linked to the hotel. They have the same owner and are also going to be demolished and rebuilt. Now the bay itself has a sandy cove, so we've got 45 minutes or so here. We want to have a walk to see a little chapel and then maybe spend a little bit of time on the sandy beach as well. This is pretty. This is the chapel for Comino. Got 3 arches with the 3 bells up above, the door with the cross underneath. It's very pretty indeed. They're not so pretty churches in Malta normally with like the red domes. This one's a little bit different. It's quite nice to see. The church dates back to the 16th century and is dedicated to the flight of the Holy Family to Egypt. So here they have a zone where they're trying to restore back to nature, and then the pretty church is just behind there. What do you think of St Mary's Bay?
Really good.
Yeah. Would you prefer this to the Blue Lagoon?
This is best.
Prefer to the Crystal Lagoon?
Well, the tide.
Mammy said that you can walk to the Blue Lagoon from here.
Yeah, you can.
How long did it take?
20 minutes.
20 minutes. Wow. It is pretty here, isn't it? It's nice having sand.
The only thing is...
Hold on.
The only thing is that when you're walking, and if you still have your if you have Crocs and you're walking in the ocean, they kind of like start to float when you're putting them on in the shallow bit, and then once you've got them on your legs, if you relax your legs, they start to go up.
I think mine are full of sand. So here at St Mary's Bay, there is also an ice cream van that serves food like burgers and wraps and chips and things. So I think we're going to grab ourselves a bite to eat now. Whilst the rest of us went for normal, sensible dinner time food, Elias has decided to have for lunch the biggest ice cream ever. Elias, show the ice cream. Like the size of his face. Big ice cream. Is Elias? Is it tasty?
Yes.
Yeah.
How many?
That was tasty. My cheeseburger cost €8. Elias's biggest ice cream in the world ever cost €5. So, have you enjoyed your time travelling around Comino on the boat today?
Definitely.
Yeah. What was your favourite part?
Probably everything.
Everything. Where was your favourite place we visited?
My favourite place was probably either St Mary's Bay or Crystal.
Crystal Lagoon. Did you prefer Crystal Lagoon or Blue Lagoon?
Yeah.
I think for us, I can see why Blue Lagoon's so popular, but we did prefer the Crystal Lagoon one. I think it was quieter, but with Blue Lagoon, it's shallower and you can sort of wade out. You don't have to necessarily swim. The water was very cold when we were here, wasn't it?
Yep.
Yep. And we were told that it doesn't really get warm until August time. So I imagine Blue Lagoon will be even better then when the water's warmer. However, it'll probably be a lot busier as well because I have a feeling that although they've limited the numbers, they probably hadn't hit those numbers today.
Yeah.
Some of the boats were very busy as well in Blue Lagoon.
Especially the giant one with people sliding down and people jumping off.
Yeah, that was very big. Lots and lots of people on that one. I'm pleased we had a private boat, didn't you?
Yeah.
And we'll leave the details for the private boat that we did travel with in the description below. But if you've enjoyed our videos, please do consider hitting that
Subscribe button.
and join us next time when we'll be in
Montenegro.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye now.